Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I am Gerlian Carlos, 30 years old.
Why do you want to work as a domestic helper?
I want to work as a domestic helper because I want to help my family and provide to my children.
How are you qualified for this job?
I am qualified, ma'am, because I am trustworthy and a hardworking person.
May I know what is your educational level?
High school,
High school graduate or what?
high school graduate, ma'am.
Have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
What is your recent working experience or your last job?
Handcrafting, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working?
Yes, ma'am.
You're working as what?
Handcrafter.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any serious injury or illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you taken any medicine or any vitamins?
No, ma'am.
Is all your child normal delivery or C-section?
Normal delivery, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
At my back and my legs, ma'am. Right leg.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dish?
Filipino dish, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn any other dishes?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Do you have any other special skills?
Hand sewing, uh, massage.
Do you have experience taking care of the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
My baby and my siblings.
Do you have experience taking care of the elderly?
Yes, ma'am. My father, stepfather.
Are you willing to work with any race employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with an employer where the parent or parent-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have to do all the housework, including gardening and car washing?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
2 kids, ma'am.
Are you legally married?
No, ma'am.
Are you part of the LGBT?
No, ma'am.
When your baby was born, who take care of them?
Myself, ma'am.
Who will take care of your kids if you will work abroad?
My mother, ma'am.
You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
No friends and relatives can come in the employer's house. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You strictly need to surrender your phone to your employer in the morning and they will return back to you once your work is done. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you misuse the handphone policy, employer will confiscate your phone and you're only allowed to call 4 times in a month only. Do you
Yes,
agree
ma'am.
and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand the rules and regulation of the handphone policy?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not allowed to use makeup or wear sexy clothes. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee when you apply the job in the Philippine agency?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any allergy to food like seafoods or any medication?
Seafoods, ma'am.
Like what?
Shrimp, crabs, and clamshells.
Are you afraid of any pets?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or relatives here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
How many years are you planning to work here in Malaysia?
2 years, ma'am.
But if the employer still wants you, are you willing to renew?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you taken your vaccination and booster?
Second dose only, ma'am.
And what dose?
But Pfizer, ma'am. But I lost my vaccine card, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Have you infected by COVID or Omicron before?
No, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have a day off, but you're not allowed to go out? You will stay in the employer's house only.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you undergo any surgery before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any sickness like high blood pressure, thyroid, asthma, diabetes, or any medical problem?
No, ma'am.
Are you wearing eyeglasses?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any problem in hearing?
No, ma'am.
Have you met any accident before, like broken leg or hand, or any metal in your body?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand and agree that we will upload your video recording in our website?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer is watching you right now, what you want to tell them?
Ma'am, please choose me because I am trustworthy and I am hardworking person.
Okay, girly. Okay, girly, if let's say there's an employer wanted to interview you, we will inform your Philippine agency or we will directly call you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your
Thank you,
time.
ma'am.
Wait.